Several weeks ago, I was in a conversation with some colleagues of mine, and these are all entrepreneurs, business owners. And one of them asked me an interesting question. They said, Lyman, what do you think is the one thing that we probably get wrong when it comes to understanding focus, distraction? And I thought about it, and the research is clear on this. And that is understanding that the issue of employees being distracted is not solely because of employees. It has a lot to do with their supervisor. It also has a lot to do with business owner. If they see you distracted, then guess what? They think it's okay to be distracted. Let me share with you what the research have shown. The research have shown that the number one influence of productivity is engagement. What do you think is the major driver of employee engagement? You see, 75% of the workforce, according to Gallup, is disengaged, and of that 75%, 16% are actively disengaged. Business owner, supervisor, manager, you are directly influencing their engagement or disengagement. So if you have an employee that's not productive, that's not engaged, chances are you are responsible. When I shared that with the group, they said, wait a minute, you're saying we're responsible? What about personal accountability? And I shared with them, I said, yes, there is a role that everyone has to play. But understand, employees are looking to you as leader. That's why you're called a business leader. If they don't see you leading and guiding. Here's something else that I found out, and I've been studying this for over 18 years. Most employees are disengaged because they have unclear expectations. They don't know what's expected of them, and they learn from you. And so if they see you scattered, if they see you disorganized, then chances are that will spread like wildfire. The last point I want to say, and I shared with them, was this. I said, imagine what would happen if you went around each morning and you picked out one or two things that your employees did well. Let's face it, the only time most employees ever get attention is when they're in trouble. When I shared this with the group, one of them said, my goodness, Lyman, you're right. I don't even know my good employee's name. And I said, yeah, but I guarantee you probably know the ones that give you the most problems. What if we change that? I believe if we begin to look and promote those that are doing a great job, we will begin to see more engagement, which will lend itself to more productivity.